pain?
Pain is
இல்ல மேல பாருங்க. How is this?
pain is stiffer.
Stiffer. Okay. Right side turning. Okay. Left side. How is this?
Stiffness.
Stiffness. இங்க இருக்கு. கொஞ்சம் pain. இந்த side. Stiffer. So predominantly right side தான் இருக்கு இல்லையா? So obviously there's a muscle, so we'll work on that muscle to loosen it up. Pressure okay? Is it radiating anywhere? Where? In the head? இல்ல அந்த இடத்துல புஷ் பண்ற இடத்துல வலி இருக்குதா இல்ல வேற எங்கேயும் ரேடியேட் ஆகுதா? Okay, into the jaw. எடுத்தோன்னே பெயின் போயிடுதுல இந்த புஷ் பண்ற பெயின் drop your head down like this இங்க புரியுதா இது எப்படி இருக்குது தெரியுதா so basically levator scapulae origin where it is starting is it radiating into the head or எப்படி இருக்கு தாங்குற அளவுக்கு இருக்கா இப்படி ஸ்லோஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க கொஞ்சம் how is this இங்க any pain no slouch again. This one is a bit tight. This can radiate into the neck or head also. புரியுதா The joint is moving. Stiffness இருக்குது. Pain இருக்குது. Okay, so keep it relaxed. Okay. Relax. Don't help me. Keep it relaxed. Don't lose our children. Relax. Comfortable enough there?
Yes, sir.
Relax. Yeah. So obviously we've done the treatment. We check the movements again and then tell me you were complaining of stiffness and some pain. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell me if it is same, better or worse. Okay. Can you bend forwards as much as you can? Okay. Backwards. Good. Turning. Okay. Opposite side. So how is the stiffness now?
It's better.
Is it? Huh?
Better,
Better.
sir.
Okay. Thank you.